with K Square Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the Renegade Row. Alright guys, some key points of performance here. This is an awesome exercise for your obliques, for your back, but we want to also get your core engaged too. So when we're getting set up, first thing I want you to establish is get in the habit of having your shoulders directly on your wrist. And that should be the case on any time you're doing push-up, mountain climbers, whatever you're doing. If you're in a support position on your hand, have your shoulders on top of your wrist. Number two, gotta get your core engaged. So get in the habit of locking down your pelvis, not arching your back. And that is a tendency to happen whenever you get into this position because you're looking to get more support. Intentionally pull your core down, staying stacked over, pull the dumbbell to your chest. Couple of key points: the wider your feet are, the easier the base is, so you're more stable. The closer your feet are, the more challenging it's going to be. Second thing I want you to think about is whenever you pull, do not pull up here and train this upright shrug position. Pull back down to your chest and you'll engage the biggest muscle in your upper body, your lats. Shoulders on the wrist, wide stance. Lock down your pelvis, pull to your chest, and on every rep, retuck your pelvis intentionally. Tendency is going to be when you start to row, the bells get further and further away, your butt's going to go higher and higher. Prevent that by tucking every rep and not getting into this position here, way out in front. Stay over the top of the bell. That's how to do the Renegade Row. Get after it.